Hey guys, it's Nerdy Geeks with
Lexi and Alex.
and this time we are unboxing Geekfuel. Alright, let's get into it. Ooh, some nice items I see. Go ahead, babies, one each. Of course, he goes for the Lego ones. What is that? So it's a Family Guy item, and it's Peter, and I've never seen these actually. They're called Cubros. Pretty cool. They're like Legos, I guess. So it's Mega Construct, 181 pieces. Whoa.
That looks like it's gonna be a big Peter.
Yeah, that's a big Peter.
It looks like it's gonna be bigger, bigger than this house.
Yeah, it's gonna be bigger than the house. All right, but that's cool. Can't wait to start building this one. Also, we have a Picard from Star Trek, a Ripley, an Alien, a Bender, and a Red Ranger one. Pretty cool. Nice. All right, Lexi, your turn.
Ooh.
Ooh, what do you have?
I have. Is this from Mario?
It's from Mario.
Shell.
It's a super soft shell.
Oh, it's super
So,
soft.
it's really soft. Wish you guys could feel it. But, yeah. And it has a sticker of the super soft shell. Cool, huh? All right.
Now I just want to sip
Let's
on it
throw
forever.
it just like in Mario. There it goes.
Mario.
All right. Next item. We have
Batman.
Batman. What's the theme song to Batman?
Batman.
Cool. All right. 3 great items. Next.
We have another card. We have Powerpuff Girls from
Powerpuff Girls. Cartoon Network's Powerpuff Girls.
Powerpuff.
Pin. You know something really cool about Geekfuel nowadays? They're really getting creative about the way they're doing their pins. Not just the actual pin, but the casing around it. I mean, I love the other cards they used to send, but now this, I mean, look at it. It looks like a TV, and you're watching the Powerpuff Girl. Really cool, right, guys?
Isn't that Blossom? Blossom, right?
I have no idea.
It's Blossom.
I don't know.
think.
I used to watch Powerpuff
Yeah,
Girls.
It's
but-
Blossom because the blue one's Bubble and the green one's Buttercup.
All right, cool. All right,
I
Lexi.
know my Powerpuff Girls.
What else? What else do you have?
We have a card.
A card.
And it says download Steam game. And we don't really have a computer, so probably a giveaway, right?
Yeah.
Maybe. This is a $20 value game. I wonder what the difference is between this and the $10 value ones. Maybe it's longer, maybe more content. And it reads, trapped in an ancient forest, a young prince searches for a lost god. Here he befriends the spirit of a young girl and a volatile child, and they quickly find their destinies intertwined.
Wow.
Warden, melody of the Undergrowth. This seems interesting, and I'm more curious now to play just because it's a $20 value rather than $10 values we usually get. We might just have to buy a computer now.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, and that is it. We have the Geekfuel magazine, Blade Runner, pretty cool. Some unboxers, pretty cool.
Let's see who made it.
Yeah, pretty cool. All right, and let's see the spoiler card. Seems like everyone's getting the Super Soft Shell plush toy, the Cubros buildable figure, the Warden Steam game. Oh, and here we have some different pins. People can get Johnny Brobot, Dexter's Droid, Power Drone, Geekfuel Mega Widget, and the rare out of 500 Space Gizmo. I really like that Johnny Robot one,
Me too.
or the Dexter one. Which one do you guys like?
I like these two.
I like this one.
She likes the Space Ghost. Hey, if anyone has a Johnny Robot or Dexter's, I'm willing to trade the Powerpuff Girl. And lastly, we have the Batman t-shirt that everyone is getting. So, that was Geek Fuel. This was a really great box. I think I liked everything.
Me too.
Yeah? What was your favorite item?
This one.
Of course. You, Lexi?
The super soft.
Yeah. I don't know. I think my favorite item was the Q-Bros
It
too.
was a pokey.
Yeah. Is it pokey?
No.
It looks real.
Alright, guys. That
Make
was Geek Fuel.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you know whenever we post new videos.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time for Geek Fuel. Bye, guys.
Now it's time for me to nap.